In the last lecture, we have learned minimum spanning tree. So with the help of minimum spanning tree, we have two algorithms, Prim's and Kruskal. So we are going to learn how we can work on Kruskal algorithm and how we can solve the minimum spanning tree. If something is given like this, suppose something is given like this. And in this we have weights like this 70, 20, 40, this edge 50, this edge 30, 60 and 10. So we need to find out minimum. So how we are going to do this? First, the first point is take minimum edge. Take edge with minimum weight and add it to minimum spanning tree MST. Then the second thing what we're supposed to do, take next minimum edge, or we can say minimum edge with minimum weight and add it to MST. Like this we need to do. And the important thing is that there should be no cycle. There should be no cycle. So first we will see accordingly this. We have this one. So what is the minimum edge? With 10, this from 4 to 5 vertex. So we will write 4 to 5 vertex here. The first thing we can say here from 4, 5 vertex with weight 10. The next one is what? The minimum is 20 with 2 and 3 vertex. So we will take this one. We will take 2 and 3 with weight 20. Right? The next one is what? Next one we have 30. This one 4 to 3. 4 to 3 with weight 30. Now we will see here. If we take the next one is minimum is 40, but if we make 40 then it will recycle, so we will not take this one. And if we take 50 also, it will also make a cycle like this, so we will not take this also. And if we take 60 also, so it will also make a cycle. So what we supposed to take? We need to take the next one, that is 70. That is not minimum with weight, but the thing is that we need to take care that there should be no cycle. So that's why we cannot take others which are having minimum than this. So we need to take this one. So we will take 2 and 1 with weight 70. With weight 70. So now we will find out the cost of minimum spanning tree with the help of Kruskal algorithm. So what is the weight? Cost according to the weight which are written over the edges. 10 plus 20 plus 30 plus 70. So what it will be? It will be 130. So that will be the cost of this minimum spanning tree with the help of Kruskal algorithm. So like that we can find out the cost of minimum spanning tree with the help of Kruskal algorithm.